As Mart Elektronik, we started our journey in 2012 to respond to the increasing technology needs of not only our country, but also the world. In line with our goals, we set a path in which we increased our investments and quality day by day. We have brought customer satisfaction to the highest levels by combining our seamless design principle with our production experience. We know what our customers need as well as they do, and we make our production more efficient every day. Thanks to our automation software developed by our engineers, we ensure the traceability of the products we produce down to smallest components. With our machine park, each of which consists of the best in its field, we have the ability to produce electronic cards that require high precision, and we respond to all needs under one roof with SMT THT leaded lead-free automatic manual production options. With our experienced personnel, machine park, and test analysis equipment, we operate with error-free production and 100% test principle. Technology is the key word of our age. As Mart Elektronik, we have software, hardware, and 3D mechanical design knowledge for technological product development. In the R&D office, our design team have transformed many ideas to products from basic electronic control devices to IoT devices. We will keep on learning and developing. As Mart Elektronik, we maintain our strong position in the sector and continue to grow with the experience we have gained over the years, the trust we have given to our customers, and the priority we give to quality and the new products we have added. At every stage of the production process, both product and system quality are prioritized, and we strive to carry this awareness even further with all our employees from management to production. The devices we develop reach end users in many countries of the world, especially in Europe. Although our quality is certified, what is important to us is the satisfaction and trust of our customers in our products.